Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trading come to you live from Asia, guys. We're going to be talking about why it is a great time to load up freaking now, guys. I'm going to be talking about that. Also, what's going on for Dogecoin, what's going on for cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. So it looks like we had the Fed come out and they talked about interest rates. So there's going to be no interest rate hikes out there. CPI data came in very good. And we're seeing that, Jeremy Powell came in very dovish out there. So we did see that also the broader markets hit an all-time high. So we're seeing things pretty much positive right now for crypto, seeing things pretty much positive for the broader markets, guys. This is the time to load the freak up because I'm going to be telling you that, we're going to be seeing huge gains coming. And we've got the Bitcoin halving coming soon, guys. Do not sleep on Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going to be going higher and higher. We're going to be talking about some huge 11 cent resistance level that Doge needs to get past, absolutely needs to get past. If we cannot fly past 11 cents soon, we could be seeing Dogecoin going back down to 8 cents, guys, and we don't want to see that. So we're going to talk about the technicals of that. So you want to watch this video to the end. Let's get into the content without any further delay. Remember, smash the likes, show some love, and remember, it is a great time to be alive. And one thing, this ain't financial advice, never was, never could be. This for entertainment purposes. And all the trolls out there, all I got to say is read between the lines. Yeah, Dogecoin 111. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And become a member and get access to a free WhatsApp group. Over 200 people talking, 200 people sharing out there, guys. So looks pretty good. U.S. markets were up, guys. The stock futures rise Wednesday after Dow closes at a record high. So booyah, baby. That is good news out there. Also, too, we're seeing that, the Dow rallies more than 500 points and it hit a record. And that is good news. That's also helping is also helping with Bitcoin as well. So let's listen to the breaking news with regards to the Fed rate, guys. Let's listen to it.
To Steve, please. The Federal Reserve leaving interest rates unchanged at 5.25% to 5.5%, a unanimous decision in the December meeting. The Fed says growth has slowed from the strong third quarter pace, saying inflation has eased over the past year, but remains elevated. It's the first time they said anything positive about inflation for a very long time.
So we're seeing that finally we're getting some positive comments from Jeremy Powell regarding inflation. So that is pretty good news out there. So that's why the markets are going up. So it looks like PPI inflation falls to 0.9%, below expectations of 1. Core PPI also fell as well to 2.0, below expectations. So that is pretty good. So both of them declined, and that is why the Fed is happy. The Fed is freaking happy, guys. We're seeing the DXY is also going down, down. Remember, this is an inverse indicator. In case you don't know and you're new here, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe. And remember, when the DXY goes down, that means that Bitcoin's going to go up. Remember, DXY is a basket of currencies out there: Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, euro, a British pound, and it's a measure against the US dollar, guys. So that is pretty good. We're seeing that as a reaction to the broader markets, a reaction to the inflation data out there. We are seeing that Bitcoin is above 42,000 and we're about to break $43,000 out there. Ethereum is up as well. Doge is also up 2.81%, so that is pretty good. Let's take a deeper dive and see what's going on with the markets, guys. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. Guys, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to smash the likes, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch to the end. We need to talk about the huge resistance at 11 cents, and could that take Dogecoin down to 8 cents, guys? It is a time to load up. I'm going to also be talking to you why it is a good time to be loading up. So we're seeing overall a good crypto day out there. Everything is up, nice. BNB is a little bit neutral out there. Solana is also up 3.85% at $70 finally. We're seeing Cardano is also going crazy right now. It's up 48% in the last 7 days. Nice. Avalanche is going gangbusters, and it has kicked Doge out of the a nice spot. So that's a bit unfortunate. Dogecoin is fighting back. I think we should be able to get, once the Asian markets wake up, we should be able to get ourselves above 10 cents coming soon. So that is good news overall. We're seeing fear and greed is also up right now at 72. So people are getting a bit more positive. And guys, look at the Bitcoin returns right now, up 14.12%. So looking pretty good, guys. Looking pretty good. And some people are saying $45,000 are coming in for Bitcoin by the end of January. And also looks like CFTC chair Rusty declares most cryptocurrencies as commodities. That is good. Because if most cryptocurrencies are commodities, then we are going to see that Gary is going to lose his control over that. So that is pretty good. And also, Justin, BlackRock has amended its Bitcoin ETF to structure to make it easier for Wall Street banks like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan to own and buy Bitcoin, guys. So that is pretty good. And that is designed to improve investors' transaction, both key requirements for approval. And remember, I think Gary has no choice but to approve it. Remember, he lost the court case with Grayscale, and the court said, yeah, Grayscale has every right to have a Bitcoin ETF. Now, remember, the next window for Bitcoin ETF approval is in January, and if that fails, then March, guys. But I believe that Gary, my friend Gary, the Debbie Downer Gary, there's absolutely no reason why he won't approve, and he needs to approve, or else I think he's going to be out of a job. think he's going to be out of a job. Guys, Bitcoin 50,000 before halving. I think that Bitcoin will hit 50,000 before the halving occurs. And in case you're wondering when the next halving is, it's in 126 days, guys. So I think that I think we're going to get 50K probably sometime by the end of January, guys. Could happen. So, guys, it's looking pretty good. Bull market, bear market, recovery phase. Definitely, we're in the bull market, guys. And if you lived through the 2022 crypto winter and you're still here, guys, congratulations. And this is what we got. To look forward to. January ETF approval. February ETF trading based on GLD. March potential first rate cut. Halving in April. November rate cuts on liquidity, and December FASB is expected to adopt fair value accounting for Bitcoin. So that is good, guys. Lots of good stuff out there. And last time we saw a buy signal on the monthly chart on Bitcoin was in 2016. We're seeing the same freaking buy signal again. And after this signal, Bitcoin rose 5,000%, 5,000 freaking percent in the 700 days. So the second buy signal in Bitcoin's history appeared last month. Probably nothing, but I think we're going to be seeing Bitcoin going up. And remember, we have had 8 consecutive weeks of Bitcoin going up. So this is a little bit of a pullback with a little bit of Warren, Debbie Downer, crypto bill. Who cares? Don't worry about it, guys. And are you a solder or are you a hodler, guys? I'm a hodler. I ain't selling anything. I'm holding my sats and I'm buying more sats like crazy, guys. Do not freak out. Do not give in to the whales, guys. Don't do it. And we're seeing more and more long-term holders. We're seeing more and more long-term holders holding like crazy. More than 57% of all Bitcoin in circulation has not moved in the last 2 years. And these people survived one of the most hellish crypto winters in history. And these hodlers rolled the asset from 69 down to 16 and back up to 44. An incredible all-time amount of Bitcoin didn't move, guys. Absolutely did not move, guys. So think about it. And I survived the crypto winter. We had the FTX, the Celsius crash, 3 hours of capital, all these debacles, but a lot of us held firm. So be a hodler, don't be a soldier. Bitcoin 2022, if you look at these fractals and you compare to where we were in 2022 to 2023, you can see that we had a pretty nice parabolic rise here. We're not quite there yet, but this is the beginning. So there's no reason to panic. In my opinion, everything is going according to plan. And I have shared this chart many times. Thank you, Mustache. Bitcoin reclaimed the trend just like in 2020 and retest in progress. After this, the upward trend should continue, guys. I believe it's going to continue. It must continue. It will continue, guys. So let's get it. And remember, this is coming in from Ash Crypto, and he's talking about Bitcoin closed 8 consecutive weekly green candles. I told you that. And to have a little bit of a pullback is normal. So don't worry about it. And pre-bull run has officially started. And this is this huge bull flag channel here. Flag bull uptrend. We got it confirmed. And a breakout, guys. We are getting a breakout, and that is going to take us higher and higher. We got 126 days to the next halving, and Bitcoin ETF is real, and 100K is coming. It's absolutely coming for you guys. Absolutely coming. If you take a look at the leverage traders right now, we're seeing that let me just refresh that for you. Most of the leverage traders right now in the last 24 hours, it's about 50-50. So we should start to see some shorts coming, and shorts. And we're seeing that basically there's less people leverage trading right now because of their craziness, their shenanigans. About $183 million worth of wreckage, 95 million longs, and 88 million shorts. So we're going to see some more short squeezes coming up. That's going to help push the price up, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking pretty good out there. It's had some chop going down. I mean, actually pretty similar. We see that if we take this pattern, which I put on 6th of December, we're kind of following it. We kind of went sideways. Yeah, we had a dip right here. Then we're having a nice, we're going up, right? We seem to be going up in this phase. So I think we'll probably go up again, touch this area, dip back down, and then that'll be the last dip. So I think we'll see three more dips, three more higher highs, then a breakout, guys. I think that's what's going to happen. Ethereum, pretty much the same pattern, guys. Big dip, recovery, and some consolidation. So that's pretty good. Doge right now is still, wow. I still think that the slingshot pattern is in play. Let me just remove this here and tell you what I think is going on. I think that we're probably going to see, we did see this, a bit of a dip here. We did touch bottom here. And I think that we're going to slowly go back up. But it's important. We need to get up to this 11 cents. This 11 cent area is very important. If we can't break out past this 11 cents or this area here, we're going to be, we could see Dogecoin potentially go down in the short term, guys. In the short term, we could see it go down. So this is from Ali Charts. He's saying, look at the TD sequential flag as a sell signal on Dogecoin weekly chart. This comes as Doge faces key resistance levels that have been repeated many times. And the correction could see prices dip to 0.85 or even 0.78. However, if Dogecoin can stay above 8 cents, we will be fine. But we're seeing a lot of rejection here, and here. So I think that, from this perspective, we really need to see Dogecoin go higher, else we could have a bit of a rejection going down, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. Right now, overall, we're seeing that Dogecoin right down. It's. Let me give this a minute first. Give me a minute first. Yeah, there we go. Correct data, Daryl. So we're seeing the market cap is up 13.7 billion, up 2.82%, but the volume is still pretty low, guys. So it is what it is, guys. So, but still, most of the Dogecoin holders are in their freaking money, guys. So I still think this is a good area to load up. There might be some dips. There might be some consolidation, but we're still seeing 71% of Dogecoin holders have money. And I think it's still a good time to load the freak up, guys. So that's what I'm saying. And guys, do go follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate it. Follow me on my Twitter. Yeah, I appreciate it. I would appreciate it out there. So follow. And don't forget to share this video, subscribe, and much love out there. I'm off the grind. That's all I got. Peace out.